Hello students, my name is Anurag Vyas and I am going to teach you about basics of trigonometric ratios. Before teaching the basics, first we should understand what are the objectives of learning the trigonometric ratios. Objectives are to find the sine, cosine and tangent of an acute angle. And second one, using trigonometric ratios, we can find side, length and angle measures in the right triangles and to solve real world problems. No, by the A similarity postulate, a right triangle with a given acute angle is similar to every other right triangle with that same acute angle measure. So, if you see the below three triangles are there, ABC, DEF and XYZ. So, triangle ABC, triangle DEF and triangle XYZ, all three are similar to each other. And the side ratios BC upon AC is equal to EF upon DF is equal to YZ upon XZ. So these are called trigonometric ratios. So a trigonometric ratio is a ratio of two sides of a triangle of a right angle triangle. So now we can go for definitions of sine, cos and tan. Let us see a right angle triangle A, B and C, of which sides are represented by small a, small b and small c. Small c is hypotenuse, small a and small b are the base and perpendicular respectively with respect to angle B. So if we learn about definitions, the sine of an angle is the ratio of the length of the leg opposite the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. That is, sine A is equal to opposite leg upon hypotenuse. Opposite leg with respect to angle A is a small a and the hypotenuse is small c. So sine A is equal to small a by small c. Similarly, sine B is equal to small b by small c. The cosine of an angle is the ratio of the length of the leg adjacent to the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to adjacent leg by hypotenuse. Adjacent leg to cos A is small b and hypotenuse is small c. Cos A is equal to small b by small c. Similarly, cos B is equal to small a by small c. The tan of an angle is the ratio of the length of the leg opposite the angle to the length of the leg adjacent to the angle. So tan A is equal to opposite leg upon adjacent leg. That is small a by small b. Tan B is equal to small b by small a. Okay, so in case of sine and cos, we have to consider hypotenuse and one side. But in tan, we don't consider hypotenuse, only other two sides we consider. So we can learn these formulas with the help of this mnemonic. We can learn mnemonic as SOH, CAH, TOA in three parts. SOH means S means sine, O means opposite, H means hypotenuse. So sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Similarly, CAH, C is cos, A is adjacent, H is hypotenuse. So CAH means cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Similarly, TOA means tan equal to opposite upon adjacent. In this way, we can learn these three formulas. Now we move forward for one example. There is a triangle JKL. This is a right angle triangle at with right angle at L. We know three sides JL, LK and JK. We have to find out sine J. Sine J will be equal to opposite leg upon hypotenuse. What is the opposite leg with respect to angle J? It is LK and hypotenuse is JK. So sine J will be LK upon JK, that is 60 upon 61. It is equal to 0.98 if you calculate using the calculator or formula or by yourself. Another same formula we can use for cos J. Same question we can use for cos J. Cos J will be equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is for angle J, it is JL and hypotenuse is JK. So cos J equal to 11 upon 61 is equal to 0.18. Similarly, we can find out tan k, that is will be equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. 11 upon opposite side, sorry, opposite side upon adjacent side. That is tan k equal to 11 upon 60. That will come to 0.18. The hypotenuse is always the longest side of a right angle triangle. So the denominator of a sine or cosine ratio is always greater than the numerator. Therefore, the sine and cosine of an acute angle triangle are always positive numbers less than 1. But in case of tangent of an acute angle, the ratio is of the length of the legs. It can have any value greater than 0 because there is no hypotenuse. Using the trigonometric ratio, we can find the lengths also. If we know one angle and one length, in this triangle ABC, right angle is at C, AC are known, angle B is known, we have to find out BC. So in this case, we have to use the formula tangent because we know opposite side and adjacent side, an angle. We have to find out the adjacent side, we know the opposite side, so we use tan formula. So tan B is equal to AC upon BC. Tan 15 will be equal to 10 by 0.2 upon BC. So BC is equal to 38.07. All this is about trigonometric ratios. There is much more, but these three are the basic trigonometric ratios. Okay, thank you.